Imagine a person not quite like any other you know. They seem peculiar, elicit discomfort in others, yet possess an uncanny ability to discern the truth. They are earth angels. In the rich tapestry of our world, there exists an enigma, a group of individuals who challenge our perception of normalcy and beckon us towards a deeper understanding of the human experience. These individuals, often considered the black sheep of their families or the odd ones out in their communities, are known as earth angels. Their origins are steeped in biblical lore, intertwined with the tale of the first fruits and the 144,000 children of Israel. Inside the sacred scripture of the book of Jeremiah, a prophecy speaks of them as the first fruits of his harvest, the chosen ones. It is believed that these earth angels are the living embodiment of this prophecy, reincarnations of those souls born anew in a world that struggles to understand them. Earth angels possess a distinct set of characteristics that set them apart. They are deeply empathetic, capable of sensing and understanding the emotions of those around them, with an intensity that most would find overwhelming.